Welcome students, Standard 2nd, Subject EVS, Lesson number 8, Festivals and their Celebration. So students, in India, there are different religious and different customs people, yes, and we all celebrate all the festivals like a family, yes. So today we are going to learn about the main religious and national festivals and their celebration. So now, first one, religious festival. In that, we are going to see Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is celebrated as Hindu New Year, and on this day, people hang a piece of cloth and raise pole outside the house. And whatever new things they want to take, they start from this day. Okay, you can see in the picture here. Second, which picture you can see here? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So student, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has written the Constitution of India, and every year his birth anniversary is celebrated on 14th of April. Yes student, on 14th of April what we celebrate? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's Jayanti. Okay, now see in the third picture what you can see here? Yes, you can see here snake, and the woman is worshipping the snake. That is called which festival? Nag Panchami. And Nag Panchami is celebrated on 5th of the month of Shravan. At this time, the snake helps the farmers by destroying the rat nibbling away at their crops. So, we celebrate Nag Panchami where people pray to the snake for his kind help. Okay student? Now see in the fourth picture. Yes. Which festival it is? Patiti. Now Patiti is what? Parsis New Year. Okay. They go to Agyari, and it is also known as fire temple. Now look in the next picture, fifth one. What you can see? A sister ties Rakhi on her brother's wrist. And what is the name of this festival? Raksha Bandhan. Yes student, you all know, no? The brother promises to take the responsibility of taking care of the sister, and the sister in turns pray for his prosperity and good health. Yes? Now see the next picture, what you can see. There is a pyramid, no? Of a human climbing one over the other. And which festival is this? The Hindi. So that is called Janmashtami. Janmashtami is the day on which Lord Krishna was born. Okay, and in Maharashtra, Dahandi, a pot of curd is hung at a great height, and group of Govindas move from street to street, and they break that pot and celebrate this festival just as Lord Krishna did in Gokul. Okay, now see the next picture. What you can see here? Yes, you can see an idol of Lord Ganesha. Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most important Hindu festival, and during this festival what people do? They decorate their house, yes, with lightning. They worship Lord Ganesha, and number of activities and programs are held. Yes, and the festival ends on the 10th day, that is on Ananta Chaturdashi, when immersion of the idol of Lord Ganesh takes place. Okay student, now see the next picture, what you can see here. The picture of father of the nation. So who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi ji. Yes, on 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi ji achieved freedom by saying the truth and non-violence. Non-violence means without fighting with the weapons. Okay student, now see the next picture here. Yes, what you can see here, the women are playing with the dandiya. And now which festival is going on? Navratri only, no? So Navratri is celebrated by Hindus all over the India. Yes, and we worship goddess Amba or Durga, an idol of God Amba Durga is worship like Lord Ganesha. Yes. Next, Dasera. Dasera falls on the 10th of the bright half of Ashwin. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana in the Lanka, and because of that, we celebrate as Dashera, and it is also known as Vijayadashmi. And on this day, the leaves of the apta tree are given to one another to express good wishes. Okay, students. Next, Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights, and it is one of the most important festival. Yes, students. What we do everywhere, you can see lights and lanterns are light up. Children burst crackers and elders exchange sweets, greet friends and relatives. We wear new clothes, and outside of the house, what is there? Rangolis are there of different colors. Yes. Ramzan Eid. Ramzan Eid is an important festival of Muslim. After the month of Ramzan or the month of fasting, people celebrate Eid after seeing the moon in the sky. All the Muslims go to the masjid to pray, and even they greet each other. Next, Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak was the founder of the Sikh religion. Guru Nanak birthday is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti, and the Sikh people go to Gurudwara to pray. Okay, and in Langar they serve food to the devotees. Next, Bakri Eid. Bakri Eid is one of the main festival of Muslim, and on this day the Muslim get together in the masjid and pray under the guidance of Muslim priests. Okay, and after the sermon everyone greets one another. And what do? They sacrifice an animal, yes, as a goat, so it is called as Bakri Eid. Next, Christmas. Jesus Christ was born on 25th of December, and we celebrate Christmas on this day, that is on 25th of December is the birthday of Jesus Christ. And Christians decorate their house with Christmas trees. Yes, and outside the house they prepare what? Crepes, and in short they describe the story of Jesus Christ when Jesus Christ was born. Okay, student. And the children believe that Santa Claus will visit their homes, so they ties a socks outside their house on that day. Okay, so that Santa will come and give them gifts. Yes, students. Remaining explanation of this lesson we will continue in the next video. Thank you.